Okay, as you can see, I have putting on my glove for this nylon. The reason you are putting on nylon is in case if you don't have glove, and we are using it to show to people that they can make use of this nylon. But I want to emphasize more on this safety precaution because it is very important and essential. For like example, if you're in your production room, please, no matter any condition, don't answer phone in your production room. As you can see my phone now, I am putting it on silent because when you are using your hands to touch your phone, those chemical content, they are affecting your phone, and it is not good. There are other important safety precautions. If you are in your production room, put on your palms and make sure that no chemical are splitting on the floor. If anyone did, just try to clean it off. And I am going to, like I told you, these safety precautions, they are very important, and it will help you in the production of your soap, to help you to overcome any injury and damage. Then let's check. There are two major materials that are used in the production of soap. The first is your lye and the second one is your oil. Okay, I am going to show you today how your lye look like. As you can see, this is your lye. Many people have asked me, like I told you, this is why your safety precaution is important, because some children will think that this thing is sugar, others will think that it is salt. If you keep this thing in your kitchen, your children will use it as salt, which is harmful to the system and to the body. Okay, look at it very well. This is your lye. As you can see, there is no difference between this thing, between your lye and sugar. If you look at it, it looks like sugar, but it's not sugar. Some will say it is salt. Sometimes when I brought this thing, they say, they ask me, Valiant, is this thing salt? It's not salt. This is your lye. This is the basic thing used in the production of your soap. Then this lye, next time I'm going to teach you how to make use of it, but understand its function today. This lye is used. Another name for it, okay, you can call it sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. This is your caustic soda, and this one is used in the formation of hard soap, that is your bar soap. You cannot use this caustic in the production of your soft soap. No, if you want to produce soft soap, you make use of potassium hydroxide. Get that in notes. You make use of potassium hydroxide. Then this your lye. The function of it, first of all, it helps in foaming. Your lye helps your soap to foam. The basic two materials used in making soap first was your lye and your oil. And this lye is very corrosive. And even if you are putting on your nylon, tight it very well, because if it touches this lye, see, it have the ability to penetrate through this nylon. So if you have the money for glove, good glove, I advise you for that. Then please keep this lye away from water, except you are mixing it. But if you are just keeping it for future purpose, don't allow it to touch water, because it reacts with water. This is a strong base. It is a strong base. Then another important of this lye is that it helps also as a hardener. Your lye helps your soap to be thick, that is, to be hard. So if you measure it in the required measurement and in the production of your soap, you may not need hardener. You may not even need like your foaming agent, because this lye will act at ease as the foaming agent. So there are many functions of it. Like as you can see, look at it very well. It's not sugar, this is lye. And this thing can react with oil very well. It can react with oil, and if it touches the skin, it burns the skin. If it reacts with water, it produces sodium hydroxide, which is so toxic to your skin. So as you can see, this is your lye, and this your lye will help you. If you know more about it, it will help you to build a good production company and to make a good soap. So it will help you to make a good soap. For example, as you can see, this is one of the Valiant soap, and this soap is so strong like this because this lye was involved and it was measured accurately. Accurately. So, but we still teach you more on that. As we proceed. So like I said, there are two major materials. We have discussed about your lye, and I've told you like the three main importance of it. It serves as a hardener, it helps in foaming, and it reacts with oil. So another major material, which these things I'm telling you are basic material, another major material is your oil. So your oil, Valiant, remember I am calling you Valiant because as you are following us, you are meant to be brave and determined like us. And please don't forget, subscribe on this channel to be getting our notification to know more about soap, so that you may not even need to stress yourself on learning X-Well. This channel will just help you. So let's look on oil. Oil will help you to know more about this. Thank you.